Hi YouTube, it's me again, Ashley. I'm here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a Jeffree Star haul unboxing. It's huge, I know. It's the first time I buy from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I've never owned anything Jeffree Star, and they had a sale over like the holiday season, and it was like the 12 days of Jeffree Star, something like that. I'm not too sure what it was called, but something like that. And I decided to buy some stuff because it was super affordable. It was a really good price, so I said, why not? Now is the time. If I'm ever gonna get something from him, it's now. So here it is. I don't remember exactly how many things I got. I got one palette only, and then the other things I think it's like once a bag. I got some accessories from him too, which I didn't even think he made. I didn't even know that he made. So like I had seen he did a jogger, but I didn't know he made like little bag. It was like a little side bag. I know I got that for sure. Okay, so opening up right away, it's just white tissue paper in the inside, but I love this pink box, super cute. Tissue, very good protected. And here on the top, it is my packing slip with what I bought. Okay, so I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 things. I was gonna guess 6, but I didn't want to tell you the number and be like, oh wait, it wasn't 6. It was 6 things. Okay, so after you take off the tissue paper, it looks like this. First thing here, oh, these are the lip liners. Okay, so I got 3 lip liners because I didn't have a lot of lip liners. I don't have a lot of lip liners, and I love lip liners, and I don't have many. So I got 3 of them. The first one here is Calabasas, where he used to live. I know he moved now. I don't really keep up with him too much, which I used to watch his YouTube videos, but then I don't know. I haven't been on YouTube in a while, and I know, but I do know that he moved because I'm on Snapchat, so I know that he moved. Okay, this is a cute color, very me. I always go with, ooh, guys, look at that lid. I always go with like the pinkish, reddish colors. Look at that, that's super cute. Okay, let's look at the lid. Oh, I can't. Okay. So you just take it off, and that's the color. Let me make a little swatchy. Okay, that's a little redder than I thought. I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of red. I think it makes me look like a senora. I don't know. That's just me. I know I am a senora. I have a baby and I'm married, but I don't know. I think I'm only 24, so I don't know. But yeah, that's the color. Oh, that's the color. And this one's Calabasas. Okay, so that's the first color I got. Cute. I love how it has like this little thing to keep it safe in there. And then the next color is Christmas Cookie. That looks like a really light color, so let's see how that looks. I don't know. I kind of was just, you know what? I was purchasing this in the car. I forgot where we were going. And I just bought these, and I was like in the car, and I was like, oh, well, I'll get this, I'll get this. And I didn't get that much actually, but sometimes I'll be doing some crazy stuff in the car, you know. That's really light, but it's cute. You can't really tell. Pretty light on my skin. Oh, there you go. That's better. It's that baby pink, super cute. I'm gonna say super cute for everything. I'm sorry guys, I always do that. But that is Christmas Cookie. I think I like this one. This is my favorite so far. I just can't get over these lids. They're like super extra, and I love it. You guys know me. You guys know I can be extra sometimes. Not all the time, sometimes. And this is Gemini. Geminis, right? Geminis. Okay. And this one, ooh, I like this color. That's how it looks on the swatch on the top. Ooh, okay. Change my mind. That's my new favorite. It's the last one right there. Right there. Super cute. Okay, that's it. That's the last time I'm saying super cute. If I say super cute again, it's not me. And yeah. Okay, so I love these colors. They're all very nice. Hey, I count myself. And I could see myself using this one a lot for sure. Also, this one, Christmas Cookie. This one I'm gonna try out. If it's too red on me, if it looks too red for me, I'll give it to my mom. Mom loves red. She loves red and she loves wine. All those colors are her, and it looks so good on her too. She has like the perfect skin The perfect skin color for that, for like the reddish and stuff. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. So this is like this side. So this is baby pink side bag. And I saw it and I was like, oh, it's cute. Like, you know, whenever I go out, thinking like maybe when I took my baby like to the zoo, or when I go to the swap meet a lot. So when I go to the swap meet and I want to carry something big, you know, I'll be like, oh, let me just get my side bag from Jeffree Star. But maybe is it like this? You know what? I didn't really see how it goes. Maybe it's like an actual side bag. I thought it was like a fanny pack, but one of fanny pack that went on the side. But I could be tripping. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's like an actual bag. Maybe it's like one. Oh, maybe it's like one of those buchone type bags. Have you guys seen the buchones? I'll be wearing it like this. Or is it like that? I think it is like this. Look. Hold on. Hold on. I think it's like this. Okay, I made it. It's too short, so maybe. Hold on. Hold up. Oh my god, I got a buchon bag. I got a buchon bag. I think it goes like this. Yes, I see it. I see it now. I don't know. Comment down below. Is it like this? Or is it like a... I honestly thought it was going to be like the ones, like a fanny pack, but it was just going to go like this. But, I mean, I like this too. It doesn't look bad. Cute. I can make it longer, I can make it shorter. But I like this. It's like nice and practical. Look, so it looks like this. And then inside, there's a little mesh to like separate the two compartments. Like it has two, it's a little mesh in here. I don't know, you put like your phone in there. And then other stuff on the side here, like on the other side. And then it has another small zipper here. And smaller, you can just put other stuff in there. Cute, I like it. Okay, I said it again. Sorry guys, I forgot. I'm not saying cute. Last time, for real this time. For real this time. But yeah, it's put a lot of stuff in here. It looks like it's very practical and very easy to like just grab and go. Grab and go. I'm gonna go. Perfect. I like it. Okay, we're getting close to the end here. This is the palette, which I'm very excited about, and it's the orangey one. Orangey palette. Okay, it's a lot of tissue. I'm about to save this and use it, cause why not? Okay, guys, look. Look at this. Look at this. You guys looking? Hope you guys are. Okay. Jeffree Cosmetics. RG. That's how it looks. And there's Jeffree on each letter. Doing something different. And then you open it up. I don't want to show the mirror because I look scratched in here. And this is how the actual palette looks, guys. Look at those colors. They're all like all different types of nude, all different types of browns, whites, and dark blacks, dark and blacks. Oh my god, I can't wait to use it. I literally can't. Like, I can only like think of all the they're all matte. Okay, so I'm gonna read the names for you guys, okay, because these are kind of cool. I'm Shy, Vanilla Latex, Implant, Teach Me, Silk Robe, Seduction, Voyeurism, I don't know how to pronounce that, Fluffer, Blowout, Gender Fluid, Body, Bed or Floor, Knee Pads, Safe Sex, Top, Bottom, Versatile, Cunnilingus, I don't know, Craving Chocolate, All Night Long, Body Chills, Body Trap, Invitation Only, Scorpio, Money Shot, Explicit, sorry, Happy Ending, Orgy, Unclosed, and Glory Hole. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have read all of those. But those are all the colors. And I can't wait to use this palette. Okay, should I swatch a couple just cause? Body Shop. She called my name. She's calling my name. Body Shop. And which other one? Glory Hole. Why not? Huh? What came out? That's Glory Hole. And one more. Just to be Let's get one of these lighters. Let's get safe sex because we should always have safe sex. Okay. Very pretty palette. I can't wait to use it. Those looks like colors that I would use because I'm really like, I like using a lot of browns, and a lot of the times I use a lot of shimmery, so this is different. If I could just do it all like matte eye, that would be really cool, and I would really like that because I mean, I feel like I have to experiment. I can't just always use glitter. I can't always use shimmery, and I always do that. So it's time to get out of my comfort zone and just use all matte. Okay, so the last thing, and I'm really excited about this one because I would love his handheld mirrors, his little cute mirrors he would always have. And so I had to get me one. I got one. And I wanted so many different colors. Like there were so many cute colors and they were all sold out. And this is the only one, the last one that I was like, you know what, I need this one because it's the only last one that I do like. And it's in the color mint. It's mint. It's a leaf, if you know what I mean. I don't know. It's just so pretty. So pretty. There we go. There we go. Oh my goodness. Look how they package it. Look how they package it. Okay, guys, look. Oh my god. You guys can tell me that's not gorgeous. That's gorgeous. I'm going to show my sister and she's going to want to choke me for it. She's going to take it away. Oh my gosh. Look. Isn't this so beautiful? I love this mirror. Oh my god, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. What's that? Look at it. Okay, so it is soft touch. It's not soft as a soft like that because I've had other ones. Like I've touched other stuff that are like really soft, but it makes sense not to make this super soft because the softer material kind of like absorbs the makeup and stuff. So this one's like soft to the touch, but not soft for like super soft, you know. But this is how it looks. I love it. I'm in love. I love it so much. I'm so glad that I got this one. I'm going to show my sister. Oh my god, I need to show her. I wish I could show her on camera. I can't wait to use it to do my makeup. Oh my god, what do I have on my eyebrow? I could just use it and take it with me and then like do my makeup in the car. I love it though. It's gorgeous. I'm so happy I purchased it. I wish I could tell you guys the prices. Okay, so I can't tell you guys the prices. It doesn't tell me, but I just know I paid $67 for all of that. And I think that's a pretty good deal because I got 6 items, 3 lip liners, one palette, and then the bag, and then this mirror for $67. I think that's a really good price. Okay guys, that's all I have for today. I'm really happy I got to record this video. I'm really happy I got to show you guys what I bought off Jeffree Cosmetics. I'm really excited to be back on YouTube, and I hope I am constant and I put up more videos. I try, but I forget. You know, I have a 1-year-old, almost 2, he's almost 2, so now he's like acting up now, and I have to chase him around the house all day and make sure he doesn't write on the walls because he loves to draw and he loves to color. That's his thing now, and I just have to chase him because the other time he had a Sharpie and he wrote all over our couch. Luckily it's just an old couch my parents gave us, so I didn't really care, but I'm scared that he does that like to the walls, and then when we move out, they're like, I'm sorry, we're not giving any money back. Your kid wrote all over our walls. And I'm like, huh? Okay. So yes, guys, it was really nice de-stressing and just talking to you guys. I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye.